go. We've just attended the 2-day Quantum Thinking NLP and Meditation Workshop with Mark Dawes. It's been amazing.
Absolutely
Thank you, Mark.
amazing.
Thank you.
Want it to end.
Yeah.
Hi Mark, I just want to say a big thank you for the course that you held at the weekend. This far exceeded my expectations. I've put the methods to use already that you've taught us, and I'm just excited to learn more. Hopefully see you soon. Thank you.
Hi Mark, just to say a massive thank you. I had the best 2 days and all my fears that I held in my heart about what I want to do are completely gone, and I am just going to bite the bullet and do it. So thank you so much.
Hi there. I have just come back from England after doing a Neuro-Linguistic course with Mark Dawes and his guests. What an amazing transformation in just 1 week. I feel so much more clear. I've been able to shift old traumas. I've been able to understand what manifesting is. And Mark just has the finest, most simple, humankind way, with a great sense of humor, of how to make you understand the science.
I feel very privileged to have had the opportunity to attend Mark Dawes' Quantum Thinking, Mindfulness Meditation NLP Workshop. It was an amazing 2-day event set in a beautiful location whereby I gained a huge amount of knowledge and skills that will enhance my practice, my life, and it gives me the ability to help others. I'm also grateful for the guest speakers that came along and share their stories and how they overcame their boundaries that they met during their lifetime. And on top of that, I made some amazing friends, like-minded friends, and we shared our stories with each other, and I am truly grateful for that. So if you ever get the opportunity to attend Mark's courses, please jump on it, because it's very insightful, and you get to meet Mark himself, who is a great man. He's actually truly a great man, and I'm very grateful, Mark. Thank you so much for setting this up and giving us the opportunity to come together. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.
Hi there. I attended Mark Dawes' Quantum Thinking, Mindfulness, NLP and Meditation retreat at the weekend, and I just wanted to come on to say that it was a brilliant couple of days. I would highly recommend anybody who's thinking about either starting their knowledge in these areas or developing their knowledge, or even those who are quite a long way down the line. I've been studying this for donkey's years, and yet still I picked up lots of things that were new angles, new ways of looking at things, new meditations. So strongly recommend going on it. Mark runs the session, the 2 days, beautifully. He's a very engaging speaker, he has lots of stories, he has some guest speakers too, and there's both the practical aspect of it where you can try out what he's suggesting and lots of theory on the first day. So great weekend. Also meeting loads of like-minded people was fantastic. So if you're thinking about it, absolutely don't hesitate, book now.